Wanted me, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. The other kids with the bump, the keys better run faster than my boy.
Who is this guy and what's he doing in the hills?
I've been in the hills, fucking dude. 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 Yeah.
Hey girl, I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it.
Please show me your bad mugs. I love bad mugs.
What happened to my smile and my will to live? Where are they now? Gone. When you grow up, you'll have to make yourself stop crying. Act too sad and the people you love will pry you off like a tick.
This is the best night of my life.
Is this entertaining? My patience is waning.
Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, yeah, you know.
My name is Hatsune Miku. 日本に行こうとだから初音ミク。ごかれ、ごかれ。I'm nearing the end of my 4th year. I feel like I've been lacking, crying too many tears. Everyone seemed to say it was so great, but did I miss out? Was it a huge mistake? I can't help the fact I like to be alone. It might sound kinda sad, but that's just what I seem to know. I tend to handle things usually by myself, and I can't ever seem to try and ask for help. I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen.
You ain't even got no ass. Your back built like a passport. Smooth. You don't even got enough ass to make a sound when you fart. That shit be coming out your back like, oh. You gotta put a seatbelt on your toilet seat so you don't fall off when you take a shit, you know ass having bitch.
when you're outside in my mind. 'Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking.
Alright, what we got? He had that whole playground shook, I am sure. I'm still not gonna be trying it. To the comments. Life insurance carrier swim. I bet he drives the cleanest 1993 Cadillac Civic. Showing the next generation how it's done. I know that's right. I have never been to school in my entire life. Look, when you walk 7 miles each way to go to school in the freezing snow, you can do things like this. Even the walk-off was gangsta. People forget old people used to be young people. I know that's right. So tell me what brought you to couples counseling. Let me tell you a thing or two about this piece of shit right over here. Every day I'm working at the salon, I come home to a filthy fucking house. I gotta work even more, I'm cleaning, I'm doing dishes, and then I gotta start on dinner, cause who the fuck else is gonna do it? And then this motherfucker waltzes in through the door covered in blood after a long hard day of fucking around with his hobbies. Hobbies, not even a real fucking
You
job.
referring to my hobbies as little is emasculating, and I know you're doing it on purpose to make me feel insecure.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry, Pookie. I didn't realize I hurt your feelings. I guess I was probably too preoccupied gorilla gluing a fucking marriage so it doesn't fall apart. He's not even good at killing. Most of them escape. Like, if you're gonna do it well. Like, I could have married my high school sweetheart, Jimmy O'Sullivan, who has a good job in marketing.
If I hear that guy's name come out of your mouth one more time, I'm going to present his head to you on a
Oh,
stick.
you're gonna kill my high school sweetheart? I don't remember the last time you said something that romantic to me. This is a good place to start. I think you both got a lot off your chest today. And now the question is, where do we go from here? And I want to answer that question next week. Sound good?
Yeah.
Thank you, Diane.
Is this what you want? Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
Down the garage. Come on in. All the dirt's gone.